Gang, this is Jeremy Holden. Mr. Cahaba asked for a sound profile of the calls. I've got two calls here. One is the all wood grunt call that I have started making, kind of messing around with the design a little bit. The other one is an Osage that has the flexible tube on the end of it. Both of them come apart, and you adjust the tone by adjusting the O-ring. Move it towards the end of the diaphragm for the fawn. Next one up. More of a doe sound, mature doe. Immature buck. A little bit more mature, and then here's the final and fifth setting. For the mature buck. There's a little bit of a sound difference between the two woods. I'll show that to you now. Here's the Osage with the flexible tube on the end of it. Actually, I think I may have that backwards. That sounds better. Hopefully that helps. Each wood has their own little different sound to it, but they also have their unique color and unique designs. Thank you.